In the item description column, use VLOOKUP. The first parameter of VLOOKUP is the how is, the VLOOKUP base. In this example, it is based on the item number. In this row, it is the B2. The second parameter of VLOOKUP is where is the VLOOKUP looking at. In this example, it is in the item table with the range from A2 to B3. A $sign is added in the range from A2 to B3 to indicate it is the absolute cell reference. More information on cell reference: A2 when it is at row 2. It is also A2 when it is at row 3. The third parameter of VLOOKUP is which column is used to fill in the current cell. In this example, it is the second column of the item table. After this step is completed, pen is displayed for the item description with the item number 1. You can request the Digitalization Strategic Roadmap by the link in the description.